Hey queens, how are you today? If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. My name is LaKendra and the name of my channel is All Things Luxe, a channel dedicated to fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. For my returning Luxe fam, Luxe queens, thanks so much for always tuning in. I just love you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. In today's video, my closet is finally finished, guys. For you who have been following me and also watching my videos, I did share with you guys that my closet was under renovations. It's finally done, and I can't wait to share with you guys. If this is something that interests you, please stay tuned. So guys, what started this renovation was one night we were sleeping and we woke up to this huge crash. Me and my husband came in and looked to see what in the world that was, and all of my clothes was on the floor on one side, shelving and all. So I was originally just thinking I should just repair it, and then I thought, why don't you just use this opportunity to redo the whole thing, make it more user-friendly and organizational for you. So that is what we have done, and I would like to share with you guys. So come on in. So I have tons of shoes that I keep in the boxes. I don't have room to not have them in the boxes anyway. So, but I am kind of OCD, and so that's my thing. Shoes have to stay inside the boxes. So I needed plenty of shelving to stack shoes. I also have so many clothes that we needed to have, double rails, and so that is what we done. It's not completely like put together like it should be yet. I'm still working on it, but it's coming together great, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So if you will look here, we did 2 rails, okay, here and here for clothes. If you see, here is my shoes. All of these are my shoes. We have some for boots, and I still have boots in the boxes, but what I could put here I did. So I did utilize this space for boots. What I tried to do was put all of my shoes in organization as in, designer. So I know if it's my Christian Louboutins or if it's my Gucci, Fendi, if you notice. So everything is kind of in its place. I have jeans and pants here, blazers here, shirts, tops, a few jean jackets here. All of this is my ready to wear items that I have. I I now have room where I can showcase my bags. Originally, all of this was in the box, stacked up under stuff. Here's my hats here. Tons of hats, if you can see. Here is, all of these are bags. Also, with this renovation, I had the opportunity of taking all of my Louis Vuitton out of the box, so I can showcase them here now. I really like coming in here seeing them. I think it's so pretty. I have my Chanel here, just a few of them. Some is still in the box too. And here is a place for long dresses and also jumpsuits. I like store my wedding dress here. And my most favorite part of this is I have a mirror now on the wall that I can get dressed up and play around with looks and everything else. My daughter really loves this mirror too as well. So it's really coming along well, and I'm so happy. My house was a mess for almost 2 months, so I'm still slowly getting everything in its place, but I just wanted to do a quick update and share with you guys. I will also post pics of what it looked like from like beginning to end, so you can see that as well. So guys, that's it. That's all I wanted to share. Something really quick. If you are new here and if you made it this far, I'd ask that if you like things like this, which I won't be doing like a renovation all the time, but I wanted to share that. But if you like fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, and if you like me, I'd ask that you would consider subscribing, join the Luxe fam. For my Luxe queens, again, thank you so much for always tuning in. I love you, love you, love you. And if no one has told you today that you're beautiful, I am telling you that you're beautiful. Be blessed. See you in the next video. Okay, so I'm on my third garbage bag of clothes that I'm getting. I finally got everything off the shelves and off the rods. Coming together. It's coming along, guys.
words, a waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts stay burned inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all, 'cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump in